Okay. Hello, my name is Jasmine. I will be leading our one-on-one session that will take approximately 30 minutes. The purpose of this session is to collect our user opinions on the features of Grocery Helper app, a product idea that was created by my group in our graduate level course at DePaul University. Your participation will help test the efficiency and usability of our application and will be used to help improve our product design. With your permission, this study will be recorded and notes will be taken. I will ask you to perform a series of tasks using the product and may ask you questions on your thought process while completing the tasks to gain insight into your experience. There are no right or wrong answers, and all feedback is welcome. I want to note that your participation in this research study is voluntary, so you can forego any questions that you have, and you have the right to withdraw yourself from the study at any point. If you choose to withdraw, your recording and data will be destroyed. The recording and data collected will be used solely for this course. Before we continue, please verbally consent to participate in this study.
I consent.
Okay. Thank you for participating in this session. Before we jump in, I want to ask you some preliminary questions. Do you go grocery shopping for your household?
Yes.
How often do you go grocery shopping?
Usually about once a week.
How much time do you typically spend at the grocery store?
Anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour.
All right, now I'm going to ask you to complete 4 tasks using our prototype on 2 different channels, mobile and desktop. Please complete these tasks to the best of your ability and remember to think out loud throughout the task. So the first task is on the desktop. So create an account and sign in.
Okay, I don't have an account yet, so I am going to click on the gigantic red Get Started button. Okay, it's asking me for some stuff, so I am going to fill in some information. Why is it asking both an email and a username, but it says it's an email? So does it want me to put my email twice? Guess that's what it's asking for. And I guess I'll put in a password. Okay. It's saying welcome back, but I've not really actually been here before, but we're going to try logging in. Oh, I can't hit the enter key, so we're going to click the button.
Okay, well, thank you. So, like we said, this was a mid-fidelity prototype, so we haven't done all edge cases yet.
Right, like the enter key? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's also Acture, so there are things that we can and cannot do, unfortunately. But anyway, so thank you for that. Okay, so now we would like to ask you to create a grocery list. Show me how you would create a grocery list on the app. Input the following items: apples, milk, eggs, and bread.
Okay, so I'm creating a list. So I'm going to click create a new list. My list name is my items here. I said it was apple, bread, milk, and what was it, eggs?
Yes. Cool. Thank you.
Okay.
So your third task, we would like you to show me how you would select your grocery store.
Select my grocery store. Well, I'm on my list page, but I don't see anywhere to select my grocery store. I'm going to go back home. I guess closest thing would probably be set my location, because I guess that's locations are close to grocery stores. I like Whole Foods because I want to give Amazon all my information, but there's no locations for Whole Foods, so I guess Whole Foods went out of business.
Have it.
Okay.
We can't set it properly.
So I'm going to pick one, so hopefully it'll figure out where I am based on my computer's location.
Okay. Well, okay, so explanation for that. The thing with Acture is like you can't have, like, if one selects, you can't have different things for another.
You should still put something there.
I know.
Okay.
We know. Okay. Anyway, all right. So thank you for doing the desktop portion of the interview. We're gonna switch to the mobile one, and yeah. So I'm gonna stop recording on my laptop and switch over to my phone.